Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Codatta token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Codatta XNY is a decentralized multi-chain protocol designed to transform individual knowledge into verifiable digital assets, enabling data contributors to earn perpetual royalties when their data fuels AI and decentralized science. DSCI Innovations solves AI data problem by creating a permissionless marketplace where creators supply high quality verified data sets and developers can access them, powered by hybrid blockchain tech using on-chain proofs for transparency and off-chain storage for efficiency across network like Ethereum and BNB chain. Governed by the XNY token, which facilitates payments, incentives, quality contributors, and allows holders to steer protocol decisions. Codatta project institution rating is 4.4. Codatta token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 2.5 billion XNY token. XNY token is listed on Binance Alpha, Gate.io, KuCoin, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.